Walk into almost any used car lot in America right now, and you will find them sitting exactly where nobody looks. Pushed to the back row, dusty, marked down multiple times because buyers keep walking right past them. Meanwhile, a crowd is gathering around a high-mileage 2021 F-150 with a price tag that would make your jaw drop. Here's the wild truth, though. Some of those forgotten, ignored trucks in the back row will still be running strong long after that F-150 becomes an expensive paperweight. These are not junk vehicles. They are not cheap because something is wrong with them. They are cheap because the market forgot about them. They were engineered in an era before automakers decided every truck needed turbos, cylinder deactivation, direct injection, carbon problems, and 10-speed transmissions that can financially ruin you right after the warranty expires. Today, we are breaking down 5 dirt-cheap used pickups that almost nobody is buying right now, and every single one of them has the mechanical foundation to outlast trucks costing 3 times as much. Stay with me through all 5, because number 1 might genuinely be the most underrated pickup sitting in the American used market today. Starting at number 5, the Mazda B-Series. Most buyers either have no idea this truck existed or they assume finding parts would be some kind of nightmare expedition. Both of those assumptions collapse the moment you learn the truth. The Mazda B-Series, sold in the United States from the mid-90s through 2009, is essentially a Ford Ranger underneath. Same frame architecture, same engines, same transmissions, same suspension components, and the exact same parts you can grab at any local auto parts store on a Tuesday afternoon. They were literally assembled on the same production lines. So why does the Mazda sell for thousands less? Pure badge psychology. People pay extra for the Ford Oval, and that means smart buyers can grab the identical truck for a significantly lower price. Under the hood, the 2.3-liter Duratec 4-cylinder is a genuinely tough engine. Timing chain instead of a belt, port fuel injection instead of carbon-attracting direct injection. No turbocharger complicating the picture. These engines routinely reach 250,000 miles, and some keep going past 300,000. The 5-speed manual transmission paired with them is about as close to unbreakable as compact truck gearboxes get. Right now, clean examples sit in the $4,000 to $7,000 range, while equivalent Rangers carry a higher price tag for no mechanical reason whatsoever. Before buying, inspect the frame behind the rear wheels for rust. Check the front suspension bushings carefully, and look over the radiator support. If those areas are solid, you might be holding the keys to one of the cheapest dependable trucks in the country. Number 4, the Dodge Dakota. This is a truck that gets dismissed constantly, and that dismissal is exactly why the price stays low enough to be interesting. The Dakota occupied a unique middle ground, bigger than compact trucks, smaller than full-size half-tons, and for many working owners, that size was exactly right. The version worth hunting is the later 4.7-liter V8. The updated PowerTech 4.7 from 2008 onward addressed earlier issues with improved heads, better cooling management, and variable valve timing, delivering over 300 horsepower on regular fuel with serious towing capacity. These later engines proved genuinely durable in ways the earlier versions did not. Because Dakotas never achieved the cult following of certain Japanese competitors, prices never inflated. Solid 2008 through 2011 V8 examples can still be found in the $6,000 to $10,000 range. Compare that to hunting for a comparable Tacoma, and the difference is dramatic. When inspecting a Dakota, upper ball joints deserve serious attention, and the frame underneath needs a thorough look, especially if the truck spent winters in salt country. Check the transmission fluid condition and look for any signs of overheating history. Done right, these trucks represent tremendous value that most buyers completely ignore. Number 3 is the Chevrolet S10, specifically later examples before the model was discontinued. The S10 is another truck that lives in the shadow of its own reputation. People remember early reliability complaints and never updated their thinking. Later S10 trucks, particularly those running the 4.3-liter Vortec V6, offered a compact workhorse that genuinely delivered. The 4.3-liter is one of the most proven V6 engines in American truck history, sharing its fundamental architecture with the full-size Vortec V8 family. Port fuel injection, simple construction, and decades of refinement mean these engines can cover enormous mileage when maintained. Pricing on clean, later S10 trucks remains incredibly accessible, often sitting below $5,000 for examples with reasonable mileage. Inspect the frame carefully, particularly around mounting points, and verify the cooling system history. A well-maintained S10 V6 is a legitimate working truck that asks almost nothing from your wallet. Number 2 is the Ford Ranger with the 2.3-liter engine, specifically 2009 through 2011 models. The Ranger is slightly better known than others on this list, but buyers still consistently undervalue later examples. The 2.3-liter four-cylinder in these trucks is a proven, simple engine that thrives on basic maintenance. Manual transmission versions are especially durable and remain cheap, partly because modern buyers have largely forgotten how to drive them. That collective skill gap is genuinely your financial advantage as a buyer. Clean examples in this range still fall between $5,000 and $9,000. Inspect the rear frame near the leaf spring shackles for rust, check for timing chain tensioner noise on cold starts, and verify any related recall work was completed on earlier production runs. These trucks have quietly developed a loyal following among people who understand what they are getting, which is why the value keeps holding. 5 trucks, 5 opportunities the market keeps leaving on the table. The Mazda B-Series, the Dodge Dakota, the Chevrolet S10, the Ford Ranger, and leading the group, the Nissan Frontier. None of them have luxury features. None will impress people at the gas station. Every single one was built with the kind of mechanical simplicity that actually ages well. The next time someone tries selling you a $50,000 truck with a turbocharged engine, a complicated transmission, and a 3-year warranty, remember, there is a different row on that lot worth exploring. The trucks everyone forgot are often the ones worth owning. If this helped you think differently about the used truck market, hit like and subscribe for more honest vehicle advice. Take care of a good truck, and it will absolutely take care of you.